So we picked up something special today. What did we pick up, Eris?
Okay.
What did we pick up?
Hot dog.
That's right. We picked up a gummy hot dog. Wonder if it tastes any good, huh? What do you think? Do you think it tastes good?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's see if we can open it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I should have opened this beforehand.
Okay.
Let's see here. Put this down right here.
Okay.
Get your feet in the shot.
Okay.
Open it. Alright. Well. Get it? Pull it. Gummy hot dog.
Gummy hot dog.
There it is. Let's see what it tastes like.
Okay.
You gonna take a bite? Oh, you're gonna rip it apart?
Yeah.
Oh, eat the hot dog right there. Oh, you're gonna eat the bun? So, what do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Hot dog.
It tastes like a hot dog?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So, should we get more?
Yeah.
So we should buy this again.
Yeah.
You think other little kids would like it?
Yeah.
You do? Why do you like it?
Gummy hot dog.
Yeah, you like it because it's a gummy hot dog?
Yeah.
We should buy more then.
Yeah.
Alright. So, was it Eris approved?
Yeah.
Alright. Say adios.
Yo.
Hasta luego.
There you go.
Blow a kiss.